Okay, so I'm going to find the solution to the corresponding homogeneous equation. X prime is equal to 2 over tx. And remember, I divide both sides by x. So this tells me that on the left-hand side, I have log of x prime, is equal to 2 over t. So in other words, this tells me that log of x is equal, what is the antiderivative of 2 over t? Oh, sorry, there's a minus sign there. Dang it. Where'd I go? So this is a minus sign there. So what does this tell me? Log of x is equal to minus 2 log of t plus c. In other words, this is equal to log of 1 over t squared plus c. So x then is equal to some constant divided by t squared. So this is the solution to the corresponding homogeneous equation. Now to find a particular solution to the non-homogeneous equation, I'm going to look for a solution of the form xp of t is equal to xh of t, which is 1 over t squared times some unknown function x of t. And when I take this and plug it into the differential equation, what it gives me is x prime over t squared is equal to cosine t divided by t squared. In other words, x prime is equal to cosine t. Or in other words, x of t is equal to sine t. Now it really should be sine t plus c, but we're finding a particular solution here. So we'll just take the particular solution with c is equal to 0. So then the particular solution is going to be sine of t divided by t squared. And so altogether, the solution is going to be the solution to the corresponding homogeneous equation, which is a over t squared. And that's the general solution to the corresponding homogeneous equation, plus a particular solution to the non-homogeneous equation, which is sine of t divided by t squared. Okay, and this solution is a solution to the differential equation, to the non-homogeneous differential equation. It's the general solution to the non-homogeneous equation. Now for the initial condition, we know that x of pi is equal to 0. So wherever I see a t, I'm going to put a pi, and wherever I see an x, I'm going to put a 0. So this is 0 is equal to a over pi squared plus sine of pi divided by pi squared is going to be equal to 0. So this tells us that a is equal to 0, and so the solution to the solution to the given initial value problem is going to be x of t is equal to sine of t divided by t squared. Okay, we can check that x of pi, that when x is equal to pi, then x is equal to 0.